I'm going to show you how to make a simple watermelon LMNT electrolyte drink. It's super simple and super cheap. All you need is a half a cup of cubed up watermelon. Next, you'll add in a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, and this adds 1,000 milligrams of sodium. Next, I'm going to add a true lime packet. This is just dehydrated lime, but if you have lime juice laying around, you can certainly use that instead. Next, I'm going to add in a magnesium citrate pill. All I'm going to do is open up the capsule and just dump in the powder. But if you have magnesium powder laying around that you like to use, you can use that instead. Lastly, I'm going to add in my water. So I'm using 12 ounces of filtered water, which is roughly about a cup and a half. Now all I'm going to do is put on my lid and stick this on my Ninja blender. So it mixes everything up and it breaks up those watermelon bits. So just blend for about 10, maybe 15 seconds till everything is smooth and pureed. And that's it. Now you can enjoy. You can drink this right after a workout. Anytime that you get sweaty, it's super refreshing and it's delicious for summer.